Hi, in front of me is LG Wing, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, open calendar. Then tap at the month above and select the date. When you're done, tap at the bottom right corner at the plus icon and select event. Over here you can add a title, set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before. Click done, change default color. Pick one of the options, go back, tap on Add Location, choose Allow Only while using the app, and type wherever you need to. When you're done, you can also add people, take notes, and many other things. Now, to save your event, tap at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to delete it, tap on it, click at the three dots, choose delete and delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!